everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the EA app is not opening or launching properly on your Windows computer. So whether it's due to system corruption or some sort of error message when attempting to sign in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the EA app, which is also formerly known as Origin. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in programs. Best match, you'll come back with add or remove programs. Go ahead and open that up. In the search apps field at the top, type in EA. Go ahead and locate the EA app and then select the three-dotted icon next to it and select uninstall. Select the uninstall button. Select yes. It's going to say ready to uninstall the EA app. Select the repair option and give us a moment. And then hopefully at this point, if you attempt to sign in, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do want to point out there's one other thing you can check here if you're looking to see the status of the server, because there's a chance that it's nothing to do on your end. That could actually be an issue with EA games. So I'm going to have a link in the description of the video here, guys, to a help page on EA's website. And it'll tell you if the EA servers are currently down or experiencing any sort of issue. So you may have to check back on this page a couple minutes later if you just are experiencing the issue immediately, because it might take a few minutes for these server status pages to update. So just keep that in mind. But pretty straightforward process on that. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.